how do we multiply three-digit numbers without having to go through the long multiplication method? That is what I will be showing you in this video. Please note that this trick works for only three-digit numbers that have zero in between. If the three-digit numbers do not have zero in between, this trick will not work. So this trick is strictly for numbers that have zeros in between. I am Miss Becca and you are welcome to this channel. If you are coming across this video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Now, we will be using a pattern, and this is the pattern that we will be using. The pattern, this is the pattern. We have this, we first multiply like this, then we have a cross, and then we have this. So just note this pattern: 1, x and 1. So how do we use this pattern in this question? This is what this pattern does. We multiply the the upper digit by the lower digits, then we multiply the ones on the left hand side too. Then for the x that is in between, we multiply this one by this, then we multiply this by this, then we add the results this one has add in between. 5 times 2 would give 10, so we write 10. Then 4 times 3 would give 12, we write the 12 here because we still have to do this. So 4 times 4 times 2 times 4 is 8. Then 3 times 5 is 15. We say 8 plus 15, that would give 20 what? 23. Then we write the 23 in the middle. So that means that 405 times 302 would give 122 310. Try it and let me know what you get. Press it on your calculator. Let's try one more example. 307 times let's say times 502. Don't forget that the middle digit must be 0. That is when this trick will work. Now let's multiply this. Don't forget the pattern. We have 1, x and then 1. So that means we will multiply 7 times 2. We first do this. 7 times 2 would give what? 14. We write 14. Then we do x. Let's do x. 3 times 2 is 6. Then plus 5 times 7 is 35. 6 plus 35 would give 41. Then that means we write the 41 here. Then we now do this 1. 3 times 5, that's 15. So if you press your calculator now, 307 times 502, it will give 154114. You can press your calculator and try it for other examples and let me know if it works in the comments. See you in the next video.